Coral Castle in Miami-Dade County, Florida. It's a mysterious and fascinating structure built by Edward Leedskalnin, a Latvian immigrant. It was constructed entirely from oolite limestone, also known as coral rock, and it was created single-handedly. He took painstaking care over a span of 28 years from 1923 to 1951, creating this masterpiece. The most intriguing aspect of Coral Castle is how this man of a small stature and limited resources managed to move and carve massive stones, some weighing several tons, without modern machinery. Edward was born in Latvia in 1887 and immigrated to the United States in the early 20th century. After being jilted by his fiancée, who he referred to as his Sweet 16, Edward left Latvia and eventually settled in Florida. Once there, he purchased a piece of land in Florida City and began constructing what he initially called Rock Gate Park. In the early 1930s, due to concerns about privacy as urban development approached, Edward moved the entire structure to its current location in Homestead, Florida. It was a full-on 10 miles away. The relocation involved transporting the massive stones using basic tools and equipment. Yet, Edward worked mostly at night. This added to the air of mystery surrounding his methods. Leedskalnin, he claimed to know the secrets of the ancient builders, those who constructed the pyramids of Egypt. He used a combination of simple tools such as levers, pulleys, and sheer ingenuity to shape and position all the stones. The largest stone at Coral Castle weighs 30 tons, and the entire site includes walls, carvings, furniture, and a tower. Coral Castle has numerous fascinating structures, including a massive stone gate, and it moves with the touch of a finger. There's a Polaris telescope aligned with the North Star, and various stone furniture pieces like tables and chairs, and they are all meticulously carved. Despite the public fascination, Edward remained secretive about these methods. As the years went by and the theories surrounded everything that he had achieved, he continued to live there on the property and charged visitors a small fee to tour this creation. He often explained his work with scientific and philosophical ideas. After he passed away in 1951, Coral Castle was open to the public and has since become a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors who marvel at its construction and the mystery behind it. These are Interesting Things with JC.